Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video, I'm going to show you the ways to use Binance staking and earn interest. So to use Binance staking and earn interest, all you have to do is just follow the steps. First of all, you need to go ahead and log in into your Binance account. So when you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now to use Binance staking and earn interest, you have to first of all go ahead and tap on the profile icon from the top right hand side corner, and when you press on the icon, it's going to take you to this field. So here you can go ahead and select the option that is simple earn, and when you do that, you can go ahead and select the staking from the drop down menu. Now after earn on the top, you can go ahead and navigate the bar. You can select the crypto that you wish to go with, and this is how it's gonna look like. So here what you have to do is you'll see a variety of staking options, and you could go ahead and earn higher APY or annual percentage yield by locking your crypto for a fixed term. So that is how you could go ahead and use Binance staking earn interest. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.